The eventual crash of America's economy will trigger a global economic crash and reset the world to zero. The implosion of the dollar will usher in the cashless society of the Antichrist and his one world beast system.
We have before us the opportunity to forge for ourselves and for future generations a new world order.
The charging bull, sometimes referred to as the Bull of Wall Street, symbolizes the power of America and New York City's prosperity. It has become a universal symbol of the American stock market, and it has been compared to the biblical golden calf worshipped by the Israelites shortly after their exodus from Egypt. After the World Trade Center attacks on 9/11, the American stock market suffered a tremendous loss. The Dow Jones fell 684 points, setting a record at the time for the biggest loss in the exchange's history for one trading day. Strong's Concordance lists G684 as apoleia, which means utter destruction and ruin, destruction of money. Clearly, the Most High was sending a sign. Therefore, OJ, who represents the rider on the white horse, or Antichrist, and his connection to Mithra and the sacrifice of the bull, also points to the destruction of America's economic system and the power of the dollar. Now get this, the word apoleia also means perdition, which is the destruction which consists of eternal misery in hell. This word is used to describe the Antichrist in 2 Thessalonians 2:3, which declares, "Let no man deceive you by any means, for that day shall not come, except there come a falling away first, and that man of sin be revealed, the son of perdition." Obama was connected to 9/11 and identified as the son of perdition, who will be indwelt by the king of the bottomless pit, when he read Psalm 46 on 9/11, declaring himself to be God.
Be still and know that I am God. I will be exalted among the nations. I will be exalted in the earth.
After 9/11, the biggest loss for one trading day has since been eclipsed by the market reaction during the global coronavirus pandemic. On March 15, 2020, the Dow Jones Industrial Average dropped 2,997 points. Strong's Concordance lists G2997 as lakao, which means to crack, to burst asunder, to fall, and to crash. Once again, the Most High was definitely sending a message. Not only did the Dow Jones average crash,
qciqa.